Spearmint, a really uplifting oil, very minty, refreshing, invigorating, a little bit on the tongue. This oil is going to help give you fresh breath. You can use it as in some water as a mouthwash or an extra drop on your toothpaste for cleansing your mouth. You can use it with tangerine in diffuser jewelry. You can use it to flavor things with. Diffusing it will help with focus and concentration and to invigorate and refresh a room. And it's beautiful when combined with citrus oils. Open up your airways with this oil just by breathing it in directly from cupped hands or on your diffuser. And then emotionally, it helps us support clear thinking and communication as well. This is the oil of confident speech. So another great oil in your communication. Instead of using that horrific pine tree shaped air freshener in your car, try putting a drop of spearmint on a cotton ball and then putting it in your vent, or you can also get car diffusers as well. And if you like minty smell, maybe you're replacing your dryer sheets with a drop of spearmint or any of the other oils on a damp cloth as your laundry cycle or your dry cycle goes around. Tangerine, a great oil for internal support for digestion. You can use this to support your immune system. It's really lovely in some sparkling water or water throughout the day to help you improve your hydration. Using this one in the diffuser with peppermint or spearmint or lemon, and great ways to boost your mood throughout the day. It is wonderful for flavoring things like desserts as well. Lots of different ways you can use this oil. Emotionally, it's going to support spontaneity and creativity and energy, and you've got a great creativity roller blend there for you. This is a citrus oil, so you want to make sure that you are not putting it all over your skin and then going out for direct sun exposure, but you can diffuse it, apply it to the body in places that are not exposed to the sun. You can take this one internally as well. Lemon is in our BOGO box, one of the most versatile oils I think that we have in doTERRA. We use this a lot in our cleaning products. I don't even use any toxic or chemical cleaners anymore, just simply essential oils, water, vinegar, a little bit of baking soda. Lots of ways you can use lemon in your home for cleaning, including as a substitute for Goo Be Gone, or to take like crayon off the wall or sticky adhesives off of anything, car grease off tires. Lots of ways you can use it. Internally, you can use it for cleansing as well. A drop in the water every single morning is a great way to start your day to help ramp up your metabolism and ease some gentle digestion. It supports concentration, focus. It helps with seasonal times where you're getting that itchy mouth, watery eye symptoms, and it's beautifully supporting for the liver as well as your immune system. If you are already a doTERRA customer, just know that each of these BOGOs only lasts for one day and while supplies last. If you're a customer, you want to use the loyalty rewards program so that you can get the most on your investment. So you get between 10 and 30% back on your purchase. If you're purchasing the entire BOGO box and you're an existing customer and you're at 30% back, you're going to get almost 60 points, well, just over 60 points to spend in the future. So it's an amazing way to get the BOGO box. If you have any questions on that, I've also done a video and posted about how to order on your LRP and the BOGO box. If you are new and this is like, okay, this is my jam, I want to get started with these oils, I need someone great who's going to support me, I can be your oil gal for sure. We have an amazing community that you can be a part of. And I also do a complimentary wellness consultation with you and provide you with a welcome package and some extra goodies for you to get going. So if that's what you'd like to do and you'd like to get started with me, then you just go to this link on the screen here, bit.ly/doTERRA-get-started. You'll pick your country, you'll pick your region, then the enrollment kits will come up, you'll grab the BOGO box and you'll get going. Just fill in the rest and it ships directly to you. If you've missed the BOGO box and you want to get started, still check out the other kits that we have available and add whatever BOGO of the day is there. I highly recommend the Healthy Essentials kit as one of my most favorite starter kits. If you're on a lower budget, try the Healthy Start kit or the Simple Solutions kit, and you can take advantage of the BOGOs all year long, or any sale we have going on all year long. If you're in the US, again, the wholesale cost of the BOGO box is $189. If you're Canadian, it's $243. That's the wholesale price. You're saving a ton of money this way. So I hope you found that helpful, going through those oils with you, learned a few daily wellness tips that you can use your oils with. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me through the links underneath this video.